here. Bend forward for your Uttanasana. Halfway, open your hearts for your Ardha. Flatten your hands down. This time, right foot back. Bring your right foot back. Bend your front knee 90 degrees. Inhale. And exhale. Bring your right hand in front of your right foot, left foot. Twist your body. Reach your left hand up. Look up here. Inhale, in front. Bring your knee in. Drop your hips down. Twist more. Inhale, nice. Exhale. Breathe now. Look up. Inhale, nice. And exhale. Now drop your right knee down. Reach your upper body up. Extend your right hand forward. Left hand to your back. Inhale. And exhale. Drop your hips down. Rotate your upper body forward. Bring your left hand to your right hips. Right hand to your left chest. Bend to your back and look up. Inhale. Exhale. Do it now. Drop your hips down. Inhale. And exhale. Go back to the center. Lengthen your left heel. So push your hips behind your back and bow down here. Inhale. Lengthen it. Find your own balance. Exhale. Nice. Belly in. Inhale. And exhale. Do it now. Inhale. And exhale. Now, release only your left hand. Left hand to your right hand to your left shin bone. Open your hearts and twist your upper body. Just push your right hips and twist your left shoulder. Now look up. Inhale. Nice. Exhale. Lengthen your elbows. Inhale. Keep your elbows straight as you bring your hips to your back. Shoulder to top. Inhale. And exhale. Do it now. Inhale. And exhale. Go back to the center. Bend your front knee. Get your blocks. Bring your blocks forward. Tuck your toe. Look forward here. Push your body. Right foot up. Open your heart. Inhale. And exhale. Breathe in. And breathe out. Go back to the center. Drop your right foot down. Drop your right heel down. Bend your front knee 90 degrees here. Now raise both your hands up. Warrior one. Inhale. And exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Twist your body to your right side. Spread your hands to your side. Warrior two. Inhale here. And exhale. Bend your front knee. Look to your left middle fingers. Inhale. And exhale. Bring your hands in prayer. Push your hips to your right side. Flex your toes. Left heel down. Sit down. Skandasana. Inhale. And exhale. Now look forward. Inhale. Nice. Nakapurma. Inhale. And exhale. Last one breath. Inhale. And exhale. Bend your front knee. Push your body forward. Bring your hands to your side. Raise your right foot up. Fly here. Inhale. Right heel backward. Align to your hips. Nice. Open your hearts. Align your shoulders. Inhale. And exhale. Last one breath here. Inhale. And exhale. Now step your foot forward together with the other foot. Bend your knees. Reach both your hands up. Inhale here. And exhale. Breathe in. And breathe out. Go back to the center. Bend forward for your Uttanasana. Halfway, open your hearts for your Ardha. Step back your right foot. Bring down your right hand. Reach your left hand up and look up. Inhale. And exhale. Flatten your hands down. Step back your left foot. Move your body forward. This is your first Chaturanga. Drop your chest down. Look up for your upward facing dog. Drop your hips down. Inhale. Tuck your toes to your down dog. Exhale. Tailbone pointing up. Inhale. And exhale. Last one breath here. Inhale. And exhale. Look, raise your right foot up. Higher as you can. Push both your hands here. Inhale here. And exhale. Bring your right knee to your heart. Push your body. Move your body forward. Inhale. And exhale. Go back to the center. Right foot up. Inhale. And exhale. Now bring your right knee to your left elbow. Open your hearts. But bring your right foot to your quadricep of your left. Push your hearts forward. Look up or look to your left side. Belly in. Inhale. And exhale. Go back to the center. Right foot up. Bring it to your left, right elbow. Inhale. Open your heart. Drop your hips down. Inhale. And exhale. Last one breath here. Inhale. And exhale. Now from here, slowly drop your right foot outside your right hand. Look forward here. Inhale here. And exhale. Drop your left knee down. Untuck your toes. Raise both your hands up. Push your hips so wide-legged and Janiyasana. Push your hips forward. Raise both your hands up here. Inhale. And exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. This time, bring your left hand. So, as you bring your right foot up at the edge of your mat, bring also your left hand aligned to your right foot. Spread your fingers wide. Now, do not pull up your right knee. Just twist your body to your right side as you drop your hips down. Now, raise your right hand up. Look up. Twist here. Inhale. Drop your hips down. Exhale. Last one here. Drop it down. Inhale. And exhale. Now release. Go back to the center. From here, after twisting from here, bring down your hands down. Lengthen your right knee. Bend your elbows if you can. Put your elbows down if you can. As you lengthen your right knee, place here. Inhale. And exhale. Breathe in. Yes, lengthen your right knee. Anak ra. Straight ang right knee. Inhale. And exhale. Now you can put your left forearm down. Just like this. As you keep your right knee straight. And reach your right hand up. Nice. Inhale. Nice. Exhale. Straight here. Inhale. Nice. And exhale. Open your shoulder. Inhale. Knee straight. And open your hearts. And exhale. Release. Go back to the center. Bend your front knee. From here, edge to edge. Edge to edge. Bend it. Move your body forward. Push your hips forward and raise both your hands up. From here, do your alignment. So instead of bringing your left hand to your heels, just bring it here. Open your heart and drop your hips down. Do not collapse your right knee. And raise your right hand up over your head. Look to your right middle fingers. Nice. Drop your hips down. Inhale. Nice. Exhale. Go back to the center. Go back to the center. Raise both your hands up here. Inhale. And exhale. Bring down both your hands. Look forward. Tuck your toe of your left knee. Drop your forearm down. Inhale. And exhale. Do it now. Inhale. And exhale. Last one breath. Inhale. And exhale. Go back to the center. Drop your left knee again. Rotate left hand down. So, dropping it down, twist. Heels up. And reach your right hand up. Inhale. And exhale. Last one breath. Inhale. So, find your own limits. If you cannot sit, don't do it. Just twist your right hand up. Inhale. And exhale. Breathe in. And breathe out. Bend your front knee. Hand down to your mat. Tuck your toe. Right foot back. Move your body forward. Chaturanga Dandasana. Look up here for your orba. Kasi dyan nakamamil. Tuck your toes to your ado. Inhale. Siya sa sige. Chaturanga di makusgan mamil.
Okay.
Inhale.
Lagi mo 20 siguro.
Oh, na. And tuck your toes. Go back to your down dog. Inhale. Left foot up. Higher as you can. Inhale. And exhale. Left knee to your hearts. So, left knee to your hearts. Push your body forward. So, nun anak pag-drop. Point your toes. Left knee to your hearts. Yes, anak mamil. Left knee to your hearts here. Inhale. Look forward, mamil. And exhale. Go back to the center. Left foot up. Left knee to your right elbow. Okay, look forward. Drop your hips down. Inhale. And exhale. Nga naman ka, ma'am. Asa din yung right elbow?
Oh, right.
Raise it up.
Grabe ako singat ano ba?
Inig-anak nimo, left knee. When I say right elbow, push ko ka forward and twist your body.
Wow.
Ana, yeah, build in.
Okay.
Okay. Here, twist, look to your other side, ma'am. Yes, inhale. Nice. And exhale. Now, go back to the center. Left knee up. This time, bring it to your left elbow. Look forward here. Drop your hips down, Mamel. Nice. Inhale. And exhale. Now, drop your left foot outside your left hand. So, from here, edge to edge. Spread your fingers wide. Look forward here. Inhale. And exhale. Now, reach your upper body up. Drop your hips down. Open your hearts. Belly in. Huwag nga usay gamit dayan niya akong bigpad.
Ako lagi mo. Kami na gamit dyan.
Gani.
Gamit kayo.
Nga lagi man sa kita ko na YouTube.
Di ba lahira na?
Lahi man og
Lahira
nainipad.
dyan.
So, mo satisfied ka kung
Di
nainipad.
ka nang magkuhan ka, masaktan mo
Forma.
forma kay di man kayo kasakit
Yung
ka
kapahan
sa
ko
tuhod.
sa tuhod.
Yes, wrap your hips down, open your hearts, feel the sexiness within, and reach both your hands up here. Inhale. Okay? Push your hips forward, half, wide-legged, and Genius. Inhale, nice. Exhale. Right now, inhale, open your hearts, belly in, and exhale. Last one breath, inhale, and exhale. This time, bring your right hand inside of your left foot. Yes. Wrap your hips down, bring your right hand inside of your left foot, just first here. Wrap your hips down and twist. Reach your left hand up. Inhale. So it's different thing. Inhale and exhale. Twist more. Breathe in. Belly in. And exhale. Drop it down. Belly in. Inhale. And exhale. Do it now. Inhale. And exhale. Go back to the center. Left and your left. Left heel down. So as you do it wide-legged, left heel down. Left toes up. Open up. Inhale. And exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Go back to the center. Now bring both your hands down. Ribbons up first. Inhale. And exhale. Bring both your arms down if you can and lengthen your left knee. Now bring your right hand facing to your left side. Lengthen it and reach your left hand up. Inhale. And exhale. Do it now. Nice. Inhale here. And exhale. Nice. Inhale. And exhale. Release. Go back to the center. Rebend your front knee. Push your body forward. Drop your knee down. Bring your forearm down. Look forward. Bring your forearm down. Tuck your toes of your right knee and push your body forward and back. Inhale. And exhale. Lengthen it. Inhale. And exhale. Last one breath. Inhale. And exhale. Drop your right knee down and down. Push your hips behind your back just like this. Look forward. Inhale. And exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Look forward here. Inhale. Drop your hips to your back and exhale. Last one breath. Inhale. And exhale. Go back to the center. Bend your front knee. Hand down. Stick back your left foot. Move your body forward. Bend your elbows to your side. Look up for your upward facing dog. Tuck your toes to your down dog. Inhale and exhale. Look forward. Step your feet forward. Halfway open your heart for your arda. Flatten your hands down to your mat. Bend your knees. Look forward here. Raise both your hands up. Go back to your chair pose. In 1, in 2, and 3. Lengthen your upper body up. Bring your hands in prayer. We're done. Woo!